Off the top of your head, how many pieces of software do you use to run your fleet maintenance and management operations? We'll give you a few seconds to arrive at a number. Was it between 5 and 10? Was it more? Quantity does not equal quality. Why have multiple pieces of software to run your operations when one would do? With EMDECS, you can track everything in one centralized system and all in real time. We cover everything to do with vehicle repair orders, parts usage, labor history, and PM scheduling. And that's just the beginning. Include your technicians, customers, drivers, and back office personnel with dedicated portals to access exactly the information they need when they need it. Take advantage of third-party financial system exports, the DVSA automated compliance system, and so much more. With EMDECS, have the power to see everything that's going on with your operations, including multiple locations and mobile technicians, all from one centralized system, accessible through any device connected to the internet. Enough with data re-entry and having to accommodate numerous different systems. For help simplifying your fleet maintenance and management, visit BrightOrder.co.uk.